Do you ever feel like you're speaking English, but you don't really sound natural? Maybe your sentences are grammatically perfect, but they feel a little artificial, or like they're straight from a textbook. Well, that's exactly what we're going to work on today. The secret to sounding natural isn't always about learning more complicated words. It's about using the simple, everyday phrases that connect conversations together. Hi, I'm Claire, and today I'll be looking at 10 of these phrases that will make you sound more relaxed, fluent, and confident instantly. Let's get started. So, why are these phrases so important? Firstly, they make your English sound more natural instead of sounding like you're translating directly from your language. These phrases help you speak more naturally. Secondly, they're super versatile. You can use them in a variety of situations, making your conversation flow more smoothly and expressively. And finally, understanding these phrases helps you get more of what some speakers are saying. When you hear them, you won't be scratching your head and trying to figure out what they actually mean. If you'd like to keep all these phrases handy, I've created a free PDF guide for you. It includes all today's phrases, their meanings, and example sentences. It's perfect for reviewing and practicing. You can download it using the link in the description below. You'll sign up for our mailing list and can unsubscribe at any time. Ready? Let's get started. Our first one is no ifs, ands, or buts. Let's start with a phrase that means we're not wasting time and that we're being really serious about what we mean or what we are doing. No ifs, ands, or buts. It's pronounced exactly as it looks. No ifs, ands, or buts. This phrase means there's no room for argument or excuses. Something is final and we must be done. You use this when you want to make it absolutely clear that a decision or instructions are not up for debate. For example, you need to finish your homework. No ifs, ands, or buts. Or, we're going to the park. No ifs, ands, or buts. So, no ifs, ands, or buts means no arguments or excuses. The decision is final. Next up is tell me about it. However, we say it much faster than that. Tell me about it. Really quick. Tell me about it. This phrase is often used as an exclamation. It means I completely understand and agree with what you're saying because I've experienced it too. Obviously, that's too much to say, so we just say, tell me about it. It's a way of showing empathy and shared experience, not actually asking for more information. An example could be someone saying, I'm so tired of all this traffic. You can reply, tell me about it. I was stuck for an hour yesterday. Or someone says, it's so hard to wake up early on Mondays. You can reply, tell me about it. I hit the snooze button 5 times this morning. In short, tell me about it means I know exactly what you mean, and it's a great and simple phrase you can use to give your English a bit more character when speaking. Now let's look at be my guest. This phrase is made up of 3 words. Just be my guest. This polite phrase is an informal and casual way of giving someone permission to do something. You can use it when you want to say yes or go ahead or you're welcome to. So for example, someone asks, can I borrow your pen for a moment? You can say, be my guest. Or someone asks, is it okay if I sit here? You can say, be my guest. Basically, be my guest is a friendly way to grant permission in a relaxed and casual manner. It's a simple phrase that you can use out and about. Another useful phrase is it goes without saying. This is a 4-word phrase and it never changes, so it's always it goes without saying. This means something is so obvious or well known that it doesn't need to be explained. You use it to emphasize that some information or facts are so generally understood that everyone knows or should know them. So, for example, it goes without saying that you should always be polite to your grandparents. And I really believe that one. Or it goes without saying that practicing English every day will help you improve. So, kind of obvious. All in all, it goes without saying means something is obvious or understood without needing to go and say it. Let's talk about call it a day. The 4 words in this phrase are call it a day. But we normally say this quickly, so the words can blend together a bit. Call it a day. Call it a day. It's a very common expression. This phrase means to stop working on something for the rest of the day, usually because you've done enough or you're tired. It's perfect for expressing when you want to end or stop something. So for example, I'm exhausted. Let's call it a day and finish this project tomorrow. Or we've been studying for hours. I think it's time to call it a day. In summary, call it a day means to finish work or an activity for the day. Next up is a more modern and enthusiastic phrase that you're probably not going to find in a vocabulary book anytime soon. The phrase is, I'm here for it. So again, we would say it a little bit faster. I'm here for it. This means you're very excited about something. You approve of it or are completely in support of an idea or plan. It shows strong support or interest in the idea. So, an example of this could be if your favorite musical artist has changed their musical style. You can say, it's a little different to her old stuff, but I'm here for it. Or, the weather has gotten colder recently and I'm here for it. So, I'm here for it really means that you're excited about something and fully in support of it. Moving on to a more casual phrase that can be used as a whole sentence by itself. The expression is same old, same old. It's pronounced same old, same old. You always say the expression twice. Same old, same old. This is a way to say things are unchanged, routine, or kind of boring. It's a common answer to how are you? Or what's new? Or what have you been up to? When nothing exciting is happening, we can say same old, same old. So for example, someone asks, how's work these days? You can reply, same old, just lots of meetings. Or someone asks, what have you been up to? You can say, same old, nothing much. Basically, same old means things we typically do and nothing new or exciting is happening. Now let's discuss it is what it is. Said quite quickly, you almost can't hear each word. So, it is what it is. It is what it is. This phrase expresses a sense of acceptance, often unpleasant or not nice about a situation that cannot be changed. It means that you've accepted the reality of a situation, even if it's not ideal. So, examples, the flight was delayed again, but it is what it is. We can't do anything about it. Or, I didn't get the promotion, but it is what it is. To sum up, it is what it is means accepting a kind of bad situation that can't be changed. Hey, it is what it is. Next is you do you. It's a very short expression made up of 3 words. You do you. You do you. This is a very casual and modern phrase that I say all the time. It means to do things in a way that is true to yourself, regardless of what others think. It's like do things that you feel you want to do. It's an expression of encouragement for individuality and self-expression. So for example, someone says, should we go to a salsa class? Well, you could say, I don't really dance, but you do you. Or someone is worried about their hobbies. Is it weird that I collect comic books? You can say, no, not at all. You do you. In conclusion, you do you means to be more yourself and do what makes you happy. It's such a nice phrase and it's so simple. Finally, we have you name it, pronounced you name it, and it's usually at the end of a longer list. This phrase means anything you can think of or everything imaginable. And it's used to indicate a wide range or a comprehensive list of things. And this can sound a little confusing, so we're going to look at some examples. So if we want to talk about maybe offering some breakfast to someone and we want to tell them all the things we have, we could say something like, for breakfast, we have eggs, pancakes, fruit, toast, cereal, you name it. And that kind of demonstrates to the person that there's lots of things that you could select for breakfast. I just haven't listed everything. Or I could say something like, she's good at sports, football, basketball, tennis, swimming, you name it. Meaning there's a lot more that she's also good at. So basically, you name it means a list of everything or almost anything imaginable. We just don't have to list everything. Well, that brings us to the end of our 10 phrases for today. We have to stop somewhere, unfortunately. I would do lots more, but we need to just do 10 and maybe save some more for another day. Before you watch another video though, I have a specific challenge for you. I want you to listen for the phrase, tell me about it, over the next few days. You'll be amazed at how often you hear it in TV shows, movies, podcasts, once you're looking and listening for it. Now, your challenge is to first spot it in the wild, and second, try and use it yourself when you strongly agree with someone. It's one of the easiest ways to build an instant connection. Come back and drop a comment letting me know where you spotted or heard the expression, the phrase, and how it felt to use it. Don't forget, you can download your free PDF guide with all of these phrases using the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And you can also hype the video and it will really help us out. So thank you so much again for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.